Hello, welcome to Ylog. Today we're going over our 6th grade worksheet, number 21 here. And we'll start with the first page, which asks for the circumference of each circle. So it says calculate the circumference of each circle, and it provides us with the formula of the circumference equals 2 pi r. And radius, you have to know 2 times the radius equals the diameter, which means diameter over 2 equals the radius. So for problem 1, we're given the diameter, which is 8.6. That divided by 2 is going to be equal to the radius. So that's going to be, radius is going to be equal to 4.3 centimeters. And from here, we plug the radius into the 2 pi r formula, which becomes 8.6 again, because divided by 2, multiplied by 2, those cancel out, pi meters, right? Which you can see meters right here. 8.6 pi meters. Number 2 is a little more simple. Instead of being given the diameter, you're given the radius. You just plug it into the formula right here, like you did for the other one. 9.3, so that becomes 18.6 pi inches. Make sure to label. And the next page is the exact same. Let's go over another one, number 4, which is saying radius is 4.4, and with the 4.4 you just plug it into the formula, 2 pi r. So 2 times 4.4 is equal to times pi is going to be equal to 8.8 pi feet. That's your answer for number 4. And with number 5, diameter equals 6.9. There's actually a shortcut. If you're given the diameter, C equals pi times the diameter. This is also another way of writing the formula, because diameter divided by 2 is the radius, and you have to multiply the radius by 2 anyways, so you can cancel it out and just make it pi d for your formula. That means you can just write 6.9 pi inches for your answer. Alright, and finally, I think that's enough problems. 4 out of 6 problems, and let's go over the second section, which says find the area of the triangle when their vertices are given. So right here, it's the vertices are -1, -10. -1, 9, and -7, negative -7, -10. So let's just graph it. -1 by -10, -1 by +9, -7, 7 by -10. So it's going to be connected like this. Sorry, I can't draw straight lines. I'm using a computer mouse. Area equals 1/2 times base times height. So the height right here is going to be 9 minus -10. Subtract, these two cancel out. It becomes 19 equals the height. And the base right here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Base equals to 6. You can just count out the squares, but I just added it up. And then right here, you get the area to be 19 times 6 divided by 2. It's going to be 19 times 3. It's going to be 57. Alright. Alright, I'll just do the last problem here since all of it is just graphing. 8. So this is 10, 9, 8. 1, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 1. Right here. So it's going to be a smaller triangle. And the height is going to be 6 minus 1, 5. 8 minus 1 is going to be 1. So it's going to be 5 times 1 over 2. 5 divided by 2 is going to be 2.5. And that's your area. Alright, let's finish it off with word problems. A boat travels 411 kilometers in 17 hours with constant speed. How much time will it take traveling 102 kilometers? So, we have to find how many kilometers in an hour. So, given this, we can just do 411 divided by 17. And then once you plug that into a calculator or do long division, you will get the answer of, actually that is not how you, alright, instead of doing this, completely ignore what I said in the back there, just do 17 divided by 411. You'll get some sort of decimal answer, and that is the goal. 411 right here, and you got 0.413625.3, and then you multiply by that by 102 kilometers, so that times 102, and you get a simple answer like 4.22 hours. You only have to go to hundredths place to make it simple. 12 kilograms of apples cost $24. How many kilograms of apple can you get with 78? So we're going to do 12 over 24. You get 1/2. You get half of an apple. You get half a kilogram of apple per dollar, okay? And since it's per dollar, you multiply it by $78. The dollar sign at the top and the bottom cancel out, and then you get 39 kilograms of apples. And I'll skip this problem because it's the same. Do this problem. 70.4 miles on 6.4 gallons of gasoline. Alright, so, and since it's in 12 gallons, so you're going to divide 6.4 gallons over 70.4 miles. So it's going to be 6.4 divided by 70.4, and you get 0.091, right? And then multiply that by 12.2, and you get 1.11. Alright, it was kind of confusing, but I messed it up again. You have to do it the other way around. Never mind, I guess. So you get 70 over 6.4 times 12. You get 131.25. Ignore what I said. And that is it. Sorry for the delays, but yeah, thank you for listening.